Okay, let's do this. What's up guys, welcome to a new video. This one again will be like a vlog style. 6 events that I'm going to in the next 3 days. And I figured why not bring you guys along. This video is a really good representation of what it's like to be a creator around the holiday season. Every company has these events and experiences set up. So I've been invited to quite a few. I've narrowed it down to 6 and I'm going to video it. I didn't want to bring this, so I went to the store and I bought the new GoPro 8. I bought like a Go Pull. They really like using that word go. None of this is sponsored, by the way, but tonight's event is, I think it's Air Miles. It's like Louisiana themed or like New Orleans themed. Instead of bringing this big ass camera, I'm gonna bring this GoPro. So yeah, let's open it up. This is the GoPro, and this is the GoPro audio. This is it, like with hyper smooth. And this is obviously my other camera. The difference, this one weighs way less than this one. This one's a lot more discreet too. So this camera is gonna be a lot less obvious than this camera. Plus this one I can't put in my pocket. This one I can. Let's go see what tonight is about. Day 2, well not day 2, Thursday morning. Now here's the thing guys, I said I had 6 events. There's an event tonight that I actually can no longer go to. It was a premiere for the movie Just Mercy. The problem is it starts at 4 p.m. Obviously I won't find any +1 to come for a 4 p.m. show, everyone works. But also it's a snowstorm outside and where it's being played is right downtown Toronto, so it's gonna be super busy with traffic, so I axed that one. I got this like throat whistle. It's weird. It's like for some reason out of all of my shirts that I own, this is the only one that exposes my nipples. So pointy. I don't know why. It's weird. Literally only this shirt. This morning, the second event is for this company called Mark's Work Wearhouse. I'm going to this like studio where apparently they've got hair, makeup, and they have an outfit picked for me, and then they're gonna take photos of me. So it's like I'm a model today, which is very weird, but that should be fun. It's gonna be an experience. Let's get the day started. Guys, I've been reunited with Amar.
Yo, yo, yo. I still look like a beast.
Is wearing the brightest clothing. It must be his new thing, eh?
Yeah, primary colors, baby. I feel like I'm being kidnapped in my own car. You know, I don't know where we're going. We don't know. No one knows. I was just given an address, and here we are.
Are we doing a podcast later too?
I hope so. Look, it's so quiet. This car.
Yeah, it's one of the ones that shuts off.
It's kind of awkward when it shuts off, you know?
Yeah, you got to keep the conversation rolling. So, how about them bright sweaters? Pretty much, you know what? I'm pretty much a model today. I've never been a model, which is exciting. See if my ego grows by the time it's done.
Oh, good God.
This is it. Does not look like it. This is a kidnapping. I don't know if this is it, guys. Should I knock?
Yeah.
I should knock?
Yeah.
Oh, is it not? Is this 9 New Street?
Yeah, but I guess you're going upstairs with Jordan.
I was definitely a lab. Everything in there was white. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. Wow. This smells like Christmas. This is a full-on pickup truck, right? Should I say hello? It's a whole garage. Whoa. We still haven't seen any. Oh, there's a backpack machine. We have not seen anybody yet. But I think we found Christmas room number 2. You think they'd have a greeter?
Yeah,
Let's go open more. All right, this is a tour of the Canadian Tire Christmas house. We're here with Mark's, so let's do it. have a bridge in their house. That's how you know you've made it. Wow, they do like podcasting in here. This is our thing, man.
Where do I do this?
So you do makeup full time? Mm-hmm. Cool. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
5,000 a day.
5,000 a day?
Yeah.
A day?
Yeah.
$5,000 a day to rent this place. This is the best brush. Every time I do like a shoot or something, yeah, it's like so soft. Fishbowl where they record podcasts.
We might have to take this over as a podcasting studio.
Can you imagine? Oh. The rabbit hole coming from here, baby. I would keep this house Christmas themed at all times. It's just very cozy. Are you serious?
Yeah.
They made this like a chimney. First off, they also have an elevator in their house.
I'm in the elevator now.
You mean the chimney?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
The chimney.
I'm at the
Wow. This is cool.
That.
Oh my gosh, look at that. I can't believe someone lives here? Or
Yes. It's
really?
not me, unfortunately.
Well, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Dad.
Wow, it's so Instagrammy.
So cool.
Winter Wonderland. Look at this. So much more. They even have fake snow. You guys put a lot of work into this.
Welcome to a very Arab Christmas. With Omar.
Rabbit hole Christmas cards, baby.
This is. Yo, I actually have rabbits on mine. We're gonna use this cup. A little postcard.
What'd you put in there? Nuts?
Yeah, I put roasted coconuts.
Look at the size of this TV. This TV's huge. This view of the city. Oh man. This right here is a real
Dad
turkey.
life, just kind of
This is a very dad life thing, you know?
very dad vibes.
It's the
Yeah, get the tongs,
the most
like,
dad
put
thing
the
I've
tongs
ever
down.
taken in my
Put
life.
the tongs down, but you can like lean your hand against the thing.
This is one of the photo stops we picked. We could pick anywhere in the house. We chose this, which is a turkey, which is cooked, but it's like super cold. There's skewers here. This is the most dad I've ever felt in my entire life. This is a swimming pool right here. And that outdoor shower we were talking about, right there. All those people there could like totally see it, eh?
They're too rich to care.
Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. Great day. It's 9:30 in the morning. Charlie and I are heading to, you can see him right there. Charlie and I are heading to an event this morning with Samsung. I think it's called Pause for a Cause. They basically have a professional animal photographer there that said, hey, would you want to get your photos taken? I said, yeah. That's what Charlie and I are doing this morning. Awesome. So happy I get to bring this guy with me. It's like massive Samsung store with like dog related things. Sometimes like the people at these events can be awkward. I could be awkward. But like dog people, if you have a dog, you know what I'm talking about. You'll go to the dog park and be like, how old's your dog? And you're just like, 3. And then so you run out of questions because you don't really care about asking them about their, anyway. We'll see how it goes. See you guys there. Okay, recap. The event was actually pretty good. It was put on by the Toronto Humane Society and Samsung Canada. It's interesting because like there's not a lot of creators that I feel are known to have like a dog. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I know there's creators with dogs, but I haven't really been invited to events that are like for your dog. That was a really fun event. We got some pics of Santa Claus here, which worked out fabulous. He looks so good. I've never sent out Christmas cards, but I think this year, because my squad is the Corn and I, we have a sick Christmas card. I might as well send some out. Maybe I'll send some to you. Oh my God, I should send some to you guys. We should do, I don't know, like a draw. And I'll send like 5 of you guys Christmas cards from Charlie and I. And the last event over the past 3 days is gonna be tonight. It's with the MLSE. The people that own the Leafs and Raptors. There's a bar right across the street from where the Toronto Maple Leafs play. They've renovated it and they're having like a Leafs watch party. Jeremy, a lot of you guys know Jeremy from my videos. Him and I are gonna check it out tonight. Good morning, my my fellow dweebs. Oh, so it is Sunday. I understand the last shot you guys saw was like, I'm going to this event for the Leafs. I ended up going. I actually won tickets to a game today. It's like an alumni game of all old players. So my brother's in town. He lives in Montreal, but he's in town right now. So him and I are gonna go. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I understand, I mentioned that I got an editor. I don't like this editor, it's so weird. I'm gonna defend the editor here. He did a really good job. His turnaround times are amazing and easygoing guy to work with. He saves me a bunch of time. What I've done in this one, you've actually seen this video is a little bit different. I've edited about 50% of this video. I've added in the jokes, I've added in the certain fun little adventure segments, you know what I mean? Like I've edited that. He just helps with the edits to cut it down. If you guys enjoyed this, I could do like a weekly vlog if that's what you're into. It sounds like a sexual thing, like that's what you're into. Also, everything that you've seen in this video was already like live uploaded on my Instagram at Danocracy. You can see this stuff happen live on my story on Instagram if you really wanted to. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Can I have a paw? 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 There it is. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys later.